Hello friends, today we are going to learn in this video how to make mockup in Photoshop using perspective wrap. So first of all, I took a box, then select a rectangular tool, then we'll make a square shape a little bit bigger than the size. Then we're going to make it duplicate, Alt Shift and move it left. Okay, this side will be little smaller than the front side. Make it resize. Okay, we'll change this side color little bit lighter. To make a difference, then select both layers, convert to smart object, make it opacity little less so we can check the background layer. Okay, now we are going to use the perspective wrap option. Okay, it's in edit, here in perspective wrap, so click on that, draw this grid here and draw from this side. It will automatically take the points. Okay, always click here on wrap option, so it's connected. So now we'll wrap it on actual shape. It is little lazy, so that's why I stopped the video. So from these points you have to wrap correctly on this box. Okay, I did already. After wrapping this, just click on this check button. Okay, now we have front view. It's done already. Next we'll take again rectangular on top view. So just make a square because it's a square box. Okay, align it somewhere here, then we'll make it same as we did for front. Just edit, convert to smart object. We are going to perspective wrap. Okay, and draw the points, the grid. Okay, and click on wrap always. Automatically wrapped. Now move these points somewhere here, this one here, this one here, this one here. Okay, press OK. It's done. Top view, front view, all done. This is front view. This is top. So I'm going to add now a design on this front view. Here I have already these logos with me. Just drop here. And this is the portion right side. Okay, and this is the portion left side, and this is the portion right side. Put here. Okay, we will write on top delivery services. Services and select white, so it stay on black or same color of A to Z. Move it in middle like this. The box enter here. We are going to add www.sk2 z dot up. Resize it to something. Okay, there the icon that we used here. Okay, we're going to make it white color. Okay, and just disable the bottom layers. Okay, and click save. Now it's here exactly pasted. So remember we reduce the opacity, so make it full. Now check, it's perfectly placed on the box. Now on top view, just double tap and we will place the logo same yes as in previous preview. Little bit big. Okay, disable background, just click here, yes. Now you can see it's perfectly placed. One more thing we can do in blending option, little bit more realistic. To make it realistic, just hold alt and click here, move it little bit this side. Notice it is giving realistic look here. Press OK. This is our final result.